That's a lot. Here, want to do some more? Good boy, here. Ready? There you go. Here, get some more. Here, try again. Here, come on, try one more time. Okay, that was upside down. Here, bud. Good boy. There you go. You got a little. Here. Oh, okay.
Try your left hand.
Go again. Yeah, maybe you're just left-handed. Maybe that's why you're doing so awful. Okay, well, I gotta get over to the other side. Look at him. He's just going right through it. Here, try this hand.
Me too.
I'm gonna transfer it. Oh.
No, that's fine.
Okay, there you go. Try. See what you can do. Here, grab it like this. There. Go in and up. Good boy. You got it. Let it go. Okay. Got it? And
Good boy.
like that. Good boy. Now you try.
Just hold it. Oops. So it doesn't move.
Yeah, good boy. Well, I don't know what your spoon strategy is there, but got it in your mouth technically. Let's clean off a little bit. Okay, now hold this thing.